In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Gmail by unread. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you are already logged into your account. In your inbox, go to the top left corner and click the checkbox icon. Click the small arrow dropdown next to the checkbox. Select Unread from the drop-down menu to highlight unread emails. Now click the settings gear icon in the top right corner. In the quick settings panel, locate the inbox type section. Click the drop-down and select Unread first. Your inbox will now be organized with an unread section at the top and everything else below. Alternatively, click the search mail bar at the top of the page, type is unread, and press enter on your keyboard. You will now see only unread emails in your account. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.